Welcome to Jaguar Land Rover. My name is Jordan Rothrock. Today we are going to take a look at this 2021 Toyota Tundra Platinum. Now I am really excited for this because this vehicle it does have one owner technically, but it is brand new. The reason I say that is it only has 482 miles on it, to the mile. So what I love about the Platinum is it does have the running boards, which always makes it nice to get in and out of it. It also has a spray-in bed liner, as well as an adjustable cargo strap, so you can adjust it and place things as you need to. Now it does have the tow package, so it has a trailer hitch as well as a trailer brake on the inside. Now there's plenty of room for sitting out back in the back row, as you can see. And the nice thing that it is if you just pop this up, if you put the other side up as well, you have plenty of storage room if you want to put boxes back here because you don't want them to get wet if it's a rainy day out. Now what's nice about it up front is it has everything you can possibly want. Blind spot, heated seats, ventilated seats, memory driver seats. It's got electronic front seats, navigation. This has everything. And again, it does have the trailer braking system if you are towing anything. Again, this is a wonderful truck. It's got a great option. It's a wonderful color. If you are interested in this vehicle or anything else that we have in our lot, just come in or give us a call. Ask for me. My name is Jordan. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the day.